Duplicate photos and videos can potentially be taking up a lot of space on your phone. Luckily, your iPhone has a built-in feature that makes the duplicate photos and videos really easy to find and manage. And this requires iOS 16 or greater. To check your iOS version, just head into the settings, go to General, then go to About. Here it shows I'm running version 26.3, so I'm way ahead of the version 16 required, so that's great. Now if I go to the Photos app and I tap on Collections and then I scroll down, I'm going to see a Utilities section. In here, there's one called Duplicates. If there is not one called Duplicates here, then you don't have any duplicates on your photos, in your Photos library. But I do, so I'll tap on that to open it, and here it shows a list of the dupes. There are 21 in total, and you can see a whole list of them right here. And to merge any of them, all you do is tap on Merge beside them. And here it says the selected items are exact copies that may have different metadata. Merging will keep one version of the duplicates that combines relevant data and move the rest to recently deleted. Sure, let's merge that. It also shows the size of the file. These ones are hard to read, but this one, for example, is 3.2 megabytes. So by merging, I'm saving 3.2 megabytes in space. Well, after the recently deleted are emptied. So you can go through and merge all these, and then the recently deleted is also under Utilities. Pop into there. This requires FaceID to open. And here we see the two that we just merged right there and there. And the recently deleted all have a number of days on the bottom of the photo or video. If I scroll down to the very bottom, it'll be very different numbers. These ones, that says 1 day, 4 days, 5 days, 7 days. That's the number of days until they're deleted. If you want to delete them all right away, tap on Select, and you select all of them. Just tap and hold and drag your finger like that, and you drag all the way up. You see the number count increasing in the bottom right here. There's no select all, as far as I'm aware. You got to do it like this. You got to drag all the way up. 215 selected. Tap on these three dots, and then choose delete. And then after doing that, that duplicate photo or video or a whole bunch of them that you managed earlier, that space is going to be regained so you can take more photos and more videos. If you want to find even more space on your phone, this is the next video you should watch, which shows you how to empty 5 different trash bins on your phone. So make sure you check that out. If you got value from the video you just watched, like and subscribe to let me know, and I'll see you on this one.